Welcome, gentlemen and ladies. This is the bid opening for elementary school number 4, the roof replacement. First bid is Northeast Roof Maintenance. Northeast base bid, $332,450. $332,450. Alternate number 1 is an add of $12,000. Alternate number 2 is an add of $76,050. Next bid is from the MAC group. MAC Group's base bid, $349,000. Alternate bid number 1 is an add of $9,000. Alternate number 2 is an add of $46,000. Next bid is Galea Construction. Galea's base bid, $335,000. Alternate number 1 is an add of $18,000. Alternate number 2 is not circled, so of $45,000.
Take it off.
Oh, we have to do that.
Next bid is Roof Management, Inc. Roof Management, Inc.'s base bid is $239,000. Oh, I'm sorry, $293,000.
Oh,
$293,000.
lucky winner.
He's like, what?
Big difference. Everybody okay?
I guess you're roof management, Inc.? Okay. All right.
We wanted to work, but I'm not.
He's trying to hook me up.
Okay, base bid $293,000. Alternate number 1 is an add of $25,000. Alternate number 2 is not circled, and it's $50,000.
That's back to 239.
Next bid is from Patwood Roofing. Patwood Roofing's base bid, $289,500. Alternate number 1 is an add of $23,000. Alternate number 2 is an add of $45,000. Next bid is Integrity Roofing. Integrity's base bid is $342,340. Alternate number 1 is an add of $25,000. Alternate number 2 is an add of $65,000. Next bid is Laumar.
We need a letter opener. This thing for the next bid.
You were the first one. I called
I
it.
think this is the third day in a row I gotta remember the letter opener. Laumar's base bid is $349,000. Alternate number 1 is an add of $15,000. Alternate number 2 is an add of $50,000. Last bid is from
That's
GC
fine.
Dynatech.
Look at 249. A lot of work already.
GC Dynatech's base bid, $385,000. Alternate number 1 is an add of $20,000. Alternate number 2 is an add of $60,000. That concludes the bidding.